Hi guys, welcome to the Twins Hangout Show with me, Maureen
and Maren.
Yeah, so today we're going to be doing a YouTube episode about, we're going to get the thoughts of Kenyans in general about what they think about Jalango vying for a Langata seat.
So recently a lot of celebrities have come out saying that they want to vie for a particular seat. So basically I know all Kenyans have opinions, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to get y'all's opinion.
Yeah, so see you in a few.
Namjua.
Na mafikira yako kwa vile he's vying for MP Langata, what are your thoughts on that?
Mimi nafurahia because mtu amesaidia wase wengi na ni msempoa by the way.
So general elections ingekuwa kesho ungemvotia?
Anytime.
Okay.
As long as asiende huko akwe kama watu wengine. Vile anasema utu na watu. Ni utu na anasemaje? Utu na watu. I really hope so. Hiyo tu atatimiza hiyo.
Sawa.
Asante. Ya asubuhi. Kwa majina unaitwa nani? James Mwangi. Okay, so tunataka kuuliza, unajua Jalango? Unamjua? Okay, mafikira yako kwa yeye kukimbilia hiyo MP seat ya Langata ni? Unaonaje mawazo yako kwa hiyo maneno sasa? Iko sawa? Kwa nini? Unaona ni kama ataleta change. Okay, so tuseme general election ingekuwa held kesho, ungempigia kura?
Kangekuwa na wania ya Rongai.
So wewe unaweza mpigia kura. Okay, sawa.
Asante.
So chukua tunakuuliza, unajua Jalango? Haujui Jalango? So interview kwa both Jalango tulikuwa tunataka kujua mafikira yako.
Because anavai
Langata MP seat, but kama umjui pia ni sawa.
Unajua service wa huko.
Wewe wapi?
Mimi wa Nyandarua.
Sawa.
So
My thoughts on Jalango running for MP Langata, I feel like he has helped people, but I still feel like it's for sure. You get the kind of work he does. He's an entertainer. You get, so politics is a whole other different thing. Whether or not he's there for his personal gains. Personally, I feel like I wouldn't vote for him. I don't even think I'm going to vote this year. Yeah, because I feel like our politicians are just playing a soccer game there. So my thoughts on Jalango becoming the next MP for Langata. If I was from that place, to be quite honest, I don't think I'd vote for him. It's not necessarily because I'm not voting this year, but it's because this is his first time vying for such a seat, and I don't know if he's serious with the post or not, if he will deliver or not. That is something that he has not convinced us how he's going to maneuver that seat. Yeah, so that's my opinion.